Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add products to an online store on Wix Studio. This is an essential step if we want to start selling items and building our e-commerce business. Let's get started. On the Wix Studio dashboard, to add a product, all we need to do is click on Sales or Catalogs. Once we're in Catalogs, we go to Store Products and then select Products. Here, we can add a product by clicking New Product. For example, let's choose a physical product. We will enter the product name. Let's go with brown eggs. Then, we add the ribbons, such as the brand name and fresh. This is just an example, so we will fill it in like this. Next, we enter the price. We will set the price to 2 and the cost of goods to 3. Now, we just need to add images. We can drag and drop images here, or upload images directly. Once we're done, we click Save and wait a moment. As we can see, our product, brown eggs, is now live on our Wix store. And that's how we add products to an online store on Wix Studio.